Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Stature from dismembered body parts. Stature of an individual is equal to the distance between the tip of the middle finger to the tip of the another middle finger when both the arms are completely extended. 2. If a dismembered body part has an arm only, then the stature is equivalent to twice the length of one arm plus 15 centimeters for each clavicle. So 30 centimeters for both the clavicles plus 4 centimeters for sternum gives us the stature. If only forearm is available, then the length of the forearm is equal to the distance between the olecranon process to the tip of the middle finger and multiplied by 3.8. If only the upper part of the body is available, then the distance between the vertex or bregma to the pubic symphysis multiplied by 2 is stature. If only the foot length is available, then the maximum foot length multiplied by 7 is stature.
thank you and thank you for watching.